lot of people in Karnataka. So, and CM is telling that central government has instructed to cancel the.
See, desperate Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, who is unable to raise the resources to fulfill their guarantees. It's a desperate act by the Chief Minister. Since he is unable to raise the resources, they have cancelled more than 12 lakh BPL cards. Our argument is we want government, before cancelling the BPL card, there should be a scientific approach. A proper rules needs to be followed. Instead of that, overnight cancelling more than 12 lakh BPL cards, they are bringing poor people onto the streets. So Bharatiya Janata Party, we are not in favor of cancelling the BPL cards for people who are needy. So just taking the excuse of income tax and PAN cards, state government is going to cancel 25 lakh BPL cards. It's most unfortunate part.
Yatindra Siddaramaiah has told that once Ambedkar has said that India should be a secular country. If India becomes Hindu Rashtra, then it will be a disaster.
See, we need not learn secularism from Yatindra Siddaramaiah or from Siddaramaiah. We know how secularism, they have been following secularism. Your father, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, says they are going to give 4% reservation in government contract for minorities. We are not against minorities, but at what cost? If they really believe in the Constitution, if they really believe in Baba Sahib Ambedkar, government should not take such actions. So instead of giving empty speeches on Constitution and Baba Sahib Ambedkar, he should guide his father to act responsible as the Chief Minister of the state.
The Karnataka government has hiked the medical services prices.
In last 1.5 years, not only medical services prices, sub-register stamp duty has been increased, and all other necessary commodities rates has been increased by the state government to raise the resources. Since government is having uphill task to raise the resources, they are taking all these routes. This is most unfortunate. Bharatiya Janata Party has taken this issue seriously. We will raise questions on the floor of the House in the upcoming winter session in Belgaum.
Sir, Education Minister Madhu Bangarappa has instructed to take action against a boy who asked him to, do you know Kannada? Do you know to speak in Kannada?
So you should blame Siddaramaiah rather than Education Minister Madhu Bangarappa. It's a known fact that Education Minister does not know Kannada. He does not know how to read and write. When a student raises a question about minister, since he does not know Kannada, he has given such orders to the officers. The most unfortunate part, I request Madhu Bangarappa to behave responsibly. He should behave responsibly. When the questions have been raised against his behavior, he should not act so hastily.
Sir,
thank you.
Government will be toppled. Karnataka government.
We should ask D.K. Shukumarji, not me.
Sir, there is an allegation that the several card holders who are eligible are being withdrawn because of some other reason. So the government is somewhere thinking that this card need to be curbed to save some money for
no,
guarantees.
it is not. No, we have got sufficient money to disperse for the DBT. But there is no problem for money. The only thing, while we are doing this 1 or 2%, there is a BPL cards is converted to APL. That's why we have today decided, the Honorable Chief Minister has taken a decision, except income tax and the government employees, all the cards to be restored. We have restored. And within 1 week, that will go to the login. Everybody will get the rise after 1 week.
BJP is alleging and they are demanding your resignation over this issue, sir. What do you want to say to them?
BJP is an opposition party. That is their duty to ask.
But people
it is not required.
Will they get those cards back? People who are eligible, will they get their cards?
Definitely. Same card will give me.